So yeah, that is our driver there. I saw a tire and it seems like an RC tire. So MN82 is Land Cruiser RC17. Guys, yeah, the assembly got cut short because I ran out of space for my phone because I was recording this in 4K and I got a lot of videos recorded there. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the finished version. Hope you don't mind. And yeah, this is how it looks like now, already assembled. So we installed the sticker. This is how we decided to put the stickers on. And also, by the way, I already added some accessories on this one. Yeah, as you can see, there's like this baggage or rooftop tent, old school one, and some, what you call this, container as well. Or yeah, all right, I think that's better. So yeah, this is a container box, and added the stickers there as well to look legit. So, and we got the DIY. This is only DIY, both of them, or even this one. I didn't bought this one. I have a new accessories coming or already arrived. I will be putting it here, but that will be for another video. So yeah, this is an awning, just a DIY. It's an ARB. So that's it. And also the driver, she's shy right now. All right, so yeah, that is our driver there. She's currently shy, and as you can see, she's driving with her foot because, why not? Look, ma, no hands. And here at the front, um, yeah, you have the installed the bumper already. Also, so you can see we installed the lights. Not sure if that's been seen. This one and the wiper as well, and the door handle, and yeah, the sticker for the logo for the Land Rover. So in here as well. So that's been installed also. And this one, I just added this because surprisingly, in the park, I saw a tire and it seems like an RC tire. It's also very similar to the scale. So yeah, I added it in the front. I might be moving this to the roof because I'll be adding some tools there, axe, shovel. So it depends. And yeah, here at the right side. So this is our also model. So they have a few models around. Yeah, willing to be part of the video. So they installed the Defender sticker also in the windshield, and also this event sticker or something, and also the adventure travel. Some of them add them here, but I just want the camel right there. And yeah, we also installed the snorkel. Others also, the purist will be changing this snorkel to a pipe one, a rounded head. So that will be more period correct. Is this more like a modern one? Not sure if I'm gonna change that, but maybe soon. And yeah, again, stickers, defenders. Some of them put this in the front, but yeah, that might be better because it has more contrast rather than this Land Rover white one. And yeah, side mirror. I already broke my left side mirror, so you can see there, because yeah, I've been driving this wildly, driving this fast, or because as you can see, my driver is a woman, so yeah, that's why I broke the side mirror. By the way, yeah, it runs fast. I think it has 280 motors, and it's a decent speed to break the side mirror. And again, so you can see the wipers there, this one, and the hinge. I think that's called hinge. And yeah, for I didn't bought the wire for this one. Forgot what this called, the proper term, but yeah, I just use a rope for now. So kind of old school. I think period correct. And yeah, just added this also. That's a fire extinguisher head and nozzle and handle, and already fell off from a previous trail. So ready to run a trail for this one. I'll be showing you a few clip and most are photos. I was not able to took some videos on that one. It was pretty fun. And yeah, the lights here also was installed and a plate number. And I think yeah, this is already here. So yeah, um, that's what it looks from the side. Let's have another angle. And the front there, and the back also there. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys some battery here. Yeah, let me show you turning this on, and let's turn on the controller. So make that a habit to turn on the controller to avoid from the unit going wild. Okay, put that right there. And so we will yeah, just connect the battery here. Just like that. And then tuck it properly. And the switch is down here. There. So yeah, surprisingly, it's not connecting. Right, my bad. It's already connected. I just put the battery in the wrong direction. So yeah, let's put her again there. So yeah, that is the speed of its steering servo, and yeah, you can like slowly move. So this is what I mean. The modulation for this one is very nice. Like it's very smooth. Yeah, it's really nice. Unlike the ZP model, it's very sensitive that it will just fly off. It really needs a sensitive small amount of input. Unlike this one, that it's really nice. So personally, I think I don't need to upgrade this, but the motor definitely needs an upgrade. But again, it's fast enough or strong enough, but some they do upgrade this one. My plan for this one, I'm just gonna enjoy this. I'm not gonna upgrade even the under chassis to metal ones. Maybe the tire to improve the look, but the tires already look good. I will only upgrade this if it breaks. But oh yeah, definitely the suspension. It needs an upgrading. All right, well, let's see. Let me show you again. So that's with the lights. Let me turn that off and turn off. Yeah, the light here. So yeah, turn signal. There's that light. And then left. Most of you guys don't like this, but for an RTR, it's definitely cool. And turn on the light. It's pretty bright as well, but it has that soft yellow, which is again period correct, which I like. So yeah, it can go quick if you want. It's pretty neat. All right. So let's turn it around, and yeah, this, as you can see, it's like sagging to the right. So definitely I'm pretty unlucky with my units. The suspension needs fixing or upgrading. So yeah, the suspension, I'll be upgrading this because yeah, it's really sagging to the right here. So this one, it needs suspension fixing or upgrade. Should be doing that. So yeah, I have a faulty suspension. But again, that's what you see, the tail light, and it has a signal, left, right, and reverse. So that the top, yeah, that's the reverse. It's colored red, or like the orange is the light, I guess, but the bulb or the light here, not the one, the LED, but the light here is red, but I guess the bulb is orange. Should be white, but yeah, that's what we got. And yeah, I think that is all. Pretty neat. um yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or what other videos you'd like to see from this one. I will be call that making another video for my MN82S, which is the Overland edition. Yeah, with a canopy at the back. And yeah, I'll be making an unboxing video of that one too. I already know it's already unboxed, but yeah. And upgrading that one too. So also I'll be upgrading suspension with that one. I mean with the MN98, which is the Defender. The other one, the MN82, is Land Cruiser LC79. Yeah, the single cab edition, which I hope and I will be making a double cab for that one because I really like one. I love the double cabs. And again, for the accessories, they already arrived, and I'll be making another video of that one. So yeah, please subscribe and like this video and give me a comment. Ask me anything about this one, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you guys.